hands that will lift you and help you up. Trust the hands that will.
Hi, my name is Monique Collins, and I am the CEO of Trusted Hand Senior Care. And I have the privilege of leading an awesome team here in Roswell, Georgia. We are dedicated to a powerful mission, which is helping older adults and seniors live the life that they want to live in their homes. And in their homes may not necessarily mean in a residential home still, because sometimes older adults and seniors have to move out of their homes and move to what's called a senior living community or perhaps an assisted living or memory care center. And so what we do here at Trusted Hands is we provide a team of caregivers, which is also known as home health aides, certified nursing assistants, or personal care assistants to help older adults and seniors in their homes, which means helping them bathe, perhaps getting dressed, perhaps medication reminders, getting to doctor's appointments or other types of appointments, and also just being companions or sitters for them and with them. A lot of seniors and older adults either live alone or their families work during the day, and so they're alone for several hours throughout the day. And so many times, adult daughters, sons, or other family loved ones will call Trusted Hands Senior Care because they want to have a person that will sit with their mom or sit with their dad to keep them company, to encourage them to eat as they're sitting at the table. There are so many times that seniors need that companionship, and that encourages them to eat, that encourages them to talk. And that's what we are here for, and that's what we do here in the Atlanta, Georgia community and surrounding areas. We serve so many different types of patients. We currently serve on a Fulton County contract and also a DeKalb County contract, where families or seniors will call what are called the senior aging division for their county, and they will indicate that they need a little bit of assistance in their home. Perhaps it's not 8 hours a day of assistance, but they may need 2 or 3 hours, maybe 2 or 3 days out of the week. Perhaps it's only 1 day out of the week. And so contractually, we serve patients for that purpose through Fulton County and again through DeKalb County. We also serve veterans. We're a VA provider. So if you have a loved one that is currently a veteran, you can reach out to their social worker or their nurse and inquire about how can Trusted Hands become a provider for your loved one in their home. Additionally, we serve Medicaid patients on what's called a Medicaid waiver. So Medicaid is a federal and a state program. So right now we're talking about the state portion for Medicaid. Every state generally has what are called waivers, and there are certain criteria for you to be accepted onto a waiver. And currently, Trusted Hands Senior Care is a CCSP, SOURCE, and ICWP waiver. So if you currently have Medicaid, you can feel free to reach out to the Medicaid division on 2 Peachtree Street Northwest in Atlanta, Georgia, to inquire more about, is my mom or dad or my loved one, are they eligible to be on the waiver? And the waivers will pay for in-home caregiver services. This is a great way for your loved one to remain in their home and not have to go into what's called an institution, which would be a rehabilitation center or a nursing home. Additionally, Trusted Hands has been a provider for different foundations. We have supported, as an example, the ALS, the Lou Gehrig's Disease Foundation. And so if there is a patient perhaps that is in need of caregiver services with that type of diagnosis, we would be happy to assist as well. And then lastly, we also service, of course, private pay patients. We work with different hospitals in and around the Atlanta community. And so when a patient is discharged home, Generally, a discharge planner or perhaps a care coordinator will call our office and they will inquire if we can become a referral or work with the family to help understand what their needs may be. Perhaps it's just the patient was in the hospital for dehydration. And so, in order to have that patient remain at their home and not go back to the hospital for something that can truly be solved in the home, we can send caregivers out to help encourage fluids, for example, eating. And again, all of our other services are also included in that, which is bathing, dressing, and transportation, medication reminders, and a host of other services that you can find on our website, which is trustedhandscare.com. And you can feel free to look at the screen and jot down that website. And also, I'll give you a phone number that will appear on the screen here shortly as well. Our office phone number is 470-541-2100. We are here in our office Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. However, we are on call after hours, weekdays, and then also weekends. So feel free to always reach out. And even if it is after hours, we will be sure to get back with you. Our staff here at Trusted Hands personally answers calls. We are happy to help answer any questions. And we also understand that even though you may call to ask questions, we realize that we may not be the provider of your choice because of maybe timing or other criteria. However, we are always happy to be a resource in the community, refer different partners that we have relationships with to you as well. We're excited to continue serving our older adults and seniors here in the Atlanta, Georgia, and surrounding areas. We service many different counties. Again, check out our website to understand how we may be able to assist you. Our team is definitely here and excited to help your family member or your loved one thrive.
The hands that will connect you